I was showing him music earlier, and I think he likes music, guys. He's bobbing
He
his head some.
definitely likes my
Marco.
watch.
Yo, buddy, you like this music?
I showed him Suicide Boys. He kind of liked it.
Ow! You're hurting. Ah.
Yo, check it. Call Lil C's. Tell that motherfucker to bring me some motherfucking weed to the hospital. Fuck that.
Hi.
You are now about to witness the supreme.
Oh, hello.
Woo! That's alright. He'll be fine.
Oh, he bit me hard.
Haley,
He
why
bit
did
me
he bite you?
hard. He bit right here, really hard. Take him. I don't want him anymore.
That's so funny.
She's just sleep talking, y'all.
I hit him out of the fucking thing. Aubrey,
Hey, boy.
it hit your head and then
It
it hit the
here.
water.
It hit right here, and I didn't know it hit the water.
So funny.
Aubrey grabbed my freaking milk.
I thought it was our milk.
Steal my milk.
What else is yours?
That was the funniest thing ever.
Oh. Those eggs won't crush.
No, but these, you guys can take these eggs too. They're firm eggs.
It's 100.2. A little bit chilly, that's alright.
Where's that other bag I had? I guess if milk doesn't eat a bag. then-
Here. Alright, baby.
I'm ready for him to just not be taking formula anymore. With a baby. He shouldn't need it as often. But I feel like when they
Can't
come.
really, I don't recognize himself in a mirror.
Really?
Yeah, they don't recognize himself.
That's a good thing, I guess.
Step up.
I have so many games
Step
on my
up.
phone.
Okay. Alright, don't bite me.
I just downloaded 2 games about space flying. Like you build a rocket and you put it up in space. 2 different kinds.
I'm just trying
One's
to see what he's
easier
doing.
than the other, so. Let me just build a rocket real quick. Alright, need that. Yeah. Put that in there.
Build the rocket real quick. Okay.
Okay, let's put a saddle.
People knowing about what I do and shit in my house.
Scratching his face like a dog.
Oh, you just flicked him.
I did? I'm sorry. I can't really see. It's all mirrored.
Engine starting.
Hey,
Meow.
buddy.
Beep. Looks like it's gonna be launching in a second.
Full power.
Wow. He's chewing on my necklace. He is. It sounds really funny.
His nails are sharp, but you know,
It's
they don't hurt
alright.
that much.
It hurts, but it's okay.
Did you know that?
That tickles. Ow. Okay. Ow. Ow. Ow.